Yo, what's up, guys, and welcome back to the Storm Shelter. Question: how are y'all feeling about Season 8 so far? Let me know down in the comments. Today we have a real fun Season 8 Apex game for you. I was playing with some of my friends Creative Tentacle and Jackalaki. I'll leave their links below, that way you guys can go catch them. And we cruised through this lobby, and we also helped him out getting a pretty big game. So if you enjoy what you're seeing here, consider dropping a like, comment, or subscription. Follow us over on Twitch. The link will be in the bio. We play Apex Monday through Friday, 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Central Time. Well, I'm done rambling. Let's go ahead and get to the game. All right, bye. Just saying, because...
Aimbot, guys. Aimbot.
Yeah, that's all we are. We're aimbot.
Aimbotters.
Joaka.
Closer you are.
Wait. Haha, it's gone.
I won't let you down.
Nice.
Alright. I think my actual mouse was locked. Which is why it wasn't also letting me click on there either, on your stream.
Let's explore this one. Woo! Is that how I do it?
Oh god.
Over there.
Is it everybody?
Yeah.
How have we done this every match?
We like it hot.
Creative, you ran right past that, bro?
What did I run past?
A gold shield.
You know, I wanted you to have it.
You know what? I appreciate that.
It's your last stream of 2021.
You might as well go out with a bang, right? And a purple bag. Let's go. What's going on?
Got people over here.
Wait a minute.
All right.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
This. Take it. Now.
Where did they go?
They're definitely up here.
Oh yeah, because they're crafting right now. Or they're trying to do the thing right now.
First blood, and it's
They're
not
trying to be ripped. Dropped a Mirage.
Where did he go?
He did his vanishing thing. Oh.
Oh, somebody's
ow.
over there shooting. I need
Cracked his
ammo.
shield. What do you need?
out.
Need,
They have a caustic.
do you have any energy on you?
I'm just finishing this Mirage real quick.
No.
Probably isn't smart.
Finish it.
Yeah, it wasn't smart.
There, friend. Did you see how great I was?
Please don't come at me again.
Enemy taken down.
Let me, oh, never mind.
Took out an enemy.
I was gonna.
Got one in here.
Yeah, I see him.
Running up this way.
Using grapple.
They're
18? What? 18 with a
he's running
sniper?
away.
No, he's not. He doesn't know who I am.
He will go nowhere.
Jump drive in position.
There we go.
60, 20, dead. Let's go.
There's more people over here.
We took out the whole
Didn't do
squad.
shit.
Reloading.
Yep.
Recharging shield.
I need another gun. What am I doing? Why am I still walking around with a Mozambique? I'll even take a charge
Hey
rifle.
guys,
Anyone up for some shopping?
this is probably not a good place to put it.
This is a Loba right here.
probably
You are a straight Loba.
Mr. Loba Loba.
Mr. Loba Loba Loba.
Mama's got you now.
They call me Mr. Boombastic.
Remember who hooked you up?
Telefantastic.
One of Volt.
Ah!
I almost went to throw smoke at him.
Oh shit.
Hi, hi. You can't hit me. Cause you're trash. Hi. I love playing like
42. Oh, he's flash.
Oh, you want to rush?
Push these.
I got my what's called. Here we go. Let's do this.
Zipline deployed.
Jump drive activated. Ring aim far. Half of one. Already on my mark.
Oh.
Ready for effect.
Which building?
Right here.
Enemy that way.
Mine.
Oh, knocked.
Now. Target there.
The ring
Affect me.
10 seconds.
Mr. Loba Loba. Am I a Loba?
Got him.
No quarter killing. Rings moving.
Am I a Loba main,
Taking out
guys?
the champion.
I mean, maybe. I mean,
Oh,
like,
that's for you, Bang.
Let's go.
Thank you.
I always snatch them up, but I'm not a Bangalore, so it doesn't matter.
I want you to know, I just like ate those kids up with this havoc, though.
Dude, I've been triple taking the fuck out of
And
people.
now they just gave me wow, words are hard. A turbocharger? Let's go. Wait, hold up.
Words are hard.
Care package incoming. Y'all learn
Is
this.
there a
Just watch
vault?
your backs.
Okay, is there a better
Yes.
backpack anywhere around here? Like where
No.
where are we?
There's not good loot anywhere, dude. Look at this garbage.
No.
I'm gonna take a knockdown shield, because whatever.
You got good taste. Mama's got
I'm just gonna take ammo. Better than I could use. You know what's actually funny? I've only literally taken probably like 50 damage this whole match.
Yeah, we're doing alright.
Those kids were not good.
Yeah, they were
No,
just
actually,
standing there
here's
while
the
I was
thing.
sniping them.
They were actually the best kids in this game.
Yep.
We just beat
Let's hope
Nicewig.
so, let's hope so.
We just beat Nicewig. Okay.
It was Nicewig, Nikoko, Puffs, and Shiv on a team. We destroyed
and we
them.
just ate them alive.
They just rebooted over here. It's kind of far though.
How far is far? Like, yeah, I do have my thing. I have my
It's
zip.
like this way somewhere.
All right, let's go. Listen, I'm like fully loaded for any fight now. I'm over here rocking a gold shield with a purple helmet
Grappling.
and a gold
Ready to
havoc.
fucking go.
Like, I want heads. Okay.
Mr. Loba Loba.
You know, I actually think I'm gonna change who I'm trying to go for 1,000 kills with. I think I'm gonna try to hit 1,000 kills with Pat this season.
I
Oh,
did
they're right
try
here.
to
They're right
use
here.
ult.
Contact with the enemy.
Oh god, I got stuck.
I can't climb.
I'm about to zoom up on their asses.
Is that your?
Oh, God.
How far that went. Yeah, that's my thing.
Reloading.
Oh my god, I can't climb up this. Hello?
Enemy down.
Oh, they had the thing. Revenant thing.
My ult.
Oh no. There is an airstrike on
I'm throwing all the nades. I don't even care.
Grenade out.
Oh, I cracked. Cracked
Crack
with a nade.
one.
Oh, we are the best in the game.
It's our game. Is this
Let's
it?
go, kill leader.
We are actually the best ones in this lobby right now.
For the gold. I like that.
I want you to know that Mirage should never play this game again. Like, here's some big hills over here.
Phoenix,
I can't really use them, so
I need sniper
better
if you see
shield.
any.
you know I'll take one of the med kits actually now.
Oh, there's some sniper. Give me that. Give me
shit,
that.
wrong
Oh
weapon.
wait, I got sniper. What? What just happened?
They call me Mr. Bombastic.
Recharging shield.
Very fantastic.
I have no idea what the next few words are. Heavy roll, move. Like, Shaggy's such a funny artist. Cause like, does anybody actually know what he's saying?
No,
Oh,
not even Shaggy.
Not even
just
Shaggy.
making it up.
Shaggy.
on
I'm pretty sure
the-
Shaggy and Sean Paul literally came from the same mother and was like, you know what?
More than likely.
We're just
There's
gonna both
a
just start
box over
making
here.
noises. Where's the rest of these people though? Cause like, there's people close.
Yeah, they're down.
Mid-range. Makes your platform more versatile.
Yep, I see him.
Hostile spotted.
Replicator incoming. Let's make ourselves something
Where?
nice.
Oh, I see
Where?
him.
I just
Okay,
use
Ray's
breath.
right there.
Oh,
I see two. I can't see the third though.
Hit one.
72.
Ready to fly on a zip line. I am.
Oh my god.
Oh, I almost hit that. Oh my
41?
god, that would have been beautiful.
Oh, there's two teams over here.
Yeah. Don't get crazy.
Smoke out.
down.
He went for that.
Took out an enemy. Enemy
There's
taken
more.
down.
Yeah, where though?
They're going low.
This is,
Oh, he had
first
a gold. Is this the fucking game?
Maybe.
Yo, I'm feeling good right now. Oh my god, we gotta get away. Never mind. Not yet.
Level 4.
Hey guys, I have
Extended energy mag
1,092.
here. Level 4.
I have 932.
Recharge. Hold on, I need to heal.
Hold on.
I need to
Level 3.
just snipe the shit out of people until I get that 2K badge.
I can't lie. When I got my 2Ks, it's literally using like a triple take
Until the ring closes.
Well, that's what I got.
and like a mastiff. That way, if I'm up close, I can just pop them for like forever. Okay, we don't have too far to go.
And we got high ground.
Rings next door.
There we go.
45.
But high ground for nothing though, because nobody's gonna be coming through that way.
True.
Can I get like a gold helmet though? Like that would be really lit right now.
That would
I
be
feel like I'm hearing more people. Oh no, that's you too. Okay.
30 seconds remain. The ring is nearby.
It's just me.
Grappling.
Ever since I finally have learned how to do his grapples, I really should just be a Pathfinder main at this point.
They're
Game
pretty
changer.
good at them.
10 seconds deployed.
Jackie, you should craft a digi.
Yeah, I didn't. You can put it on the vault, right?
Yes. I don't have enough materials.
When y'all are
I
ready-
think actually, I'm gonna
Don't
craft a
have enough
digi too.
materials.
Just take this zip.
These materials here.
Yeah. I should have enough now.
Craft a digi, and then we can smoke the shit out of them.
Alright, I'm about it.
I'm about that action,
hurry
bro.
Up, hurry up, hurry
I
up.
love loot.
Digi. Bobby digi. Digi Bobby. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Alright, where do we gotta go? Like,
I don't even know.
oh my
I don't
God.
know if there was a Pathfinder we could scan a beacon.
Wow. You're right. You know,
Sorry, there's something in my throat right now.
there was something
Alright.
stuck there.
Team, I found a
No
safe
need.
location for us. Check your maps.
Barrel stabilizer
We
here.
have quite a little way. Well, not too far to go.
Optics here. Mid-range.
I feel like we maneuver around to this care package because
Replicator
somebody's gonna be
incoming,
there.
friends.
Unlikely.
Oh, I can snatch shit from a care package.
Yeah, I forgot that was a buff that they just gave her.
I am.
How close do I gotta be? We'll get right here.
Why don't we just go to it? Like,
Shut up. I want to try my new powers.
For some shopping.
I'm gonna get there first and then take
No,
over
no, no,
from
no,
there.
no. No, you're not. No, you're not.
My man's got a brand new
Oh my God! There's a whole team. There's a whole team.
Fire, friends.
Yeah. Should have
well,
went here, brother.
They're chasing though.
where they at?
Giving him the chimney.
Recharging shields.
Shooting.
Is that guy just standing there? What is he doing? Okay.
I am repairing myself.
I gotta heal.
Safe
Right
zone,
here.
folks.
Enemies here.
Throw nades at him if you can.
I don't have any names, but I've got my ult.
He's gone for
Another
Oh, over here.
target there. Oh, painless. Knocking at the door.
Yeah, ult that motherfucker.
I forgot you're not Bloodhound this match.
Recharging my shields.
No.
Hostiles
Got somebody
right here.
close.
45 seconds. Time, but not much.
Got somebody running up.
The enemies are shooting at me.
Oh no, that was you.
Jay is in it.
Oh no.
Only 30 seconds.
Come on, I'm past.
Spotted. Double timing.
True.
Cracked. He's cracked.
Which one is it? The Revenant?
This one right here.
Danger close.
Get
I hear
somebody
him.
above us. There.
Down the target.
We are the
Good hit.
best
Fairly close.
around.
Squad down. Give my
I missed
No, it's over
every
now.
single one of those Mastiff shots.
It's okay, buddy. I got him.
I'm hot garbage.
Oh, guys, I can get it this round. I can get it this round.
How close are you?
I have 1,400.
I feel good about this care
You know, I'll just point out people from now on.
Right here.
I am.
Okay, I need to.
So do we want to go towards them, or do we want to go towards the ring?
Oh,
Well, if you're going for a 2,000, then we need to go towards them.
yeah,
There's
yeah.
more coming down the hill right now. A whole team.
Oh, yeah, there is.
Giving my shields a
We can stand near watching vault. Oh,
Come
fuck,
on.
never mind.
Come on.
Yeah, because they got to come in. Wait, you thirst him.
Enemy killed.
Where'd the other two go?
Was it?
They're on the other side of the mountain.
Yeah.
Extended heavy magazine here.
Oh, they're coming.
Yeah, I see him.
Cracked. He's cracked.
Where's he at?
Right here.
Near me.
See, I would go, but he's gonna die. Unless, like, there's, like, a very sliver of, like, air. There is. Never mind. I'm
Are
not
they
gonna.
in there?
No, they're not.
Haven't
Watch the
seen
kill
him die
feed.
yet.
No, they're on the other side of the wall. That's what I'm saying. Let's just go.
Yeah, yeah.
I think he
All right,
went
I
in
got
there and just grabbed his banner.
1674 right now. Oh, this can happen. I just ran up a tree.
using grapple.
There's a gold armor in that care package.
1 minute. Rings nearby.
They're right on the other side of here.
All right, I'm moving.
Can take it.
Drop down.
Ready to fly on a
And I just
see
had
him
a
up
zip.
top.
I just had a zip up here. So that's what I'm saying. Drop down.
Shooting.
46. 69. 23. Oh my God.
Looks like that was
He's
the
still in
last
there?
one of the squad.
Or did you get him? You got him.
Only 2 other squads remain.
Okay.
Super sandwich. 18-12. I need one more full kill.
Taking out more enemies.
If there's a guy laying there, let me.
There's two.
There's them.
There's two.
Oh my God.
No, I'm down.
No.
Reloading. Yeah, the time.
Down.
Somebody come res.
I got it.
I gotcha.
Get the kills.
What are you at?
Recharging shield.
I can't get past this guy's shield. Shit.
All right, he was standing right there.
1919.
All right, we gotta get down. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Squad left, friend. Let's win.
And they just rezzed wherever they are. All right, we're safe right in here. So heal up real quick if you need to.
Repairing.
Yo, this is an insane game right now. Because if you're that close,
That's on my
I'm at
fault.
1333 with 10 kills.
I got 6 kills with 1919.
Got 4 kills. 592.
Damn, hard carry. How you doing, Jackie?
Top.
Oh,
Where?
they're up top. Oh, holy sh! Are you serious? Come res me real quick before they west called.
Where are you at?
Because they're gonna push. I'm right outside the
Here?
building.
Let's go this way.
Okay, you got it.
I'm underneath the building.
Okay.
I got it, guys. Woo! We did it.
You got the 2K?
I got it.
Using my
Let's fucking go.
Hell yeah.
Where's Michelle at now?
Rings nearby.
Let's go, chat. We did. Oh, they're sniping at me.
Watch my back.
We can't lose this match
Really?
now. You know that, right? If we lose this match, then it's not worth it.
Bullshit.
5 seconds. Ring ain't far.
What'd you say?
taking fire,
You can say that all you want.
Where are they at? I don't even know where they're at.
They're on that middle little area.
Zipline.
They're in the fucking.
Giving my shield.
They're right where they need to be.
Yeah.
I set a zip. I'm gonna try to get to this building.
Is there any nades?
Oh, but I have my ult.
Yeah, ult
they,
them.
They also.
Come on.
Yeah, ult them and then smoke a path for us.
Fire, friends.
Yep. Perfect.
Recharge.
Go to the right here. Go this way. Towards the J.
I'm over here already.
Oh, I knocked that guy. I knocked the Gibby up who was sniping at us.
We gotta
my
get
God,
him
I
all
can't
the way
climb
down
this.
so we can't.
No, I'm already in
use
here.
his ult. I'm in here too.
One's down.
Where they at?
Friends?
Oh shit! I'm not. He's low though.
Let's go!
Go, boys and girls!
That was a huge. I think that may have been a 2K for me too, to be honest.
Holy shit, dude. I
And if it's
am
not,
now
it's
a triple
really
pick
close.
master.
It's really close to a 2K for me too.
Of course I don't get it on a bang.
Oh my god, we killed almost half the lobby.
Oh my god.
Whoa, we're screenshotty.
13 kills, 1630
Damn.
damage. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm
Jay,
taking a
what the
picture
hell
of
were
this.
you doing?
I don't even know. I mean, granted, I was running a havoc with a turbocharger.
Just melting shields left and right.
Listen,
Oh my
that
god,
I want you
bro.
to know, chat.